Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the bonk update today. And very quickly, if you're not on Discord, actually I want you to be on Discord because I have given away a freebie, which is a free signal for bonk, by the way, particular, and that's what really interested me. So you can check the buying details, the risk, the reward. Actually the risk is pretty low, the reward is pretty decent as well, and I'm actually thinking of selling it at 18.29. Now speaking of 18.29, where did that came from? Yesterday, I talked about the falling wedge. Number one, you have the main target should be 2287, but before that, there are good chances we first of all see this technical target happening, which is 1829. And now, if I do zoom in into the smaller time frame and check the comment section for Discord invitation, is totally free for you to join. And we do have this little bit of ascending triangle at the moment where you have the price is moving up and crawling to the upside, and if you match that one, you also have an amazing buying direction to the upside on the RSI. So there are very, very strong chances that we do see bonk breaking above and actually going to the upside. So if you do break up from this ascending triangle, then we take the top to the bottom, and if you place it right over there, it literally takes you to that technical target, and that's why I give it as a freebie on the Discord as well. So if you do need some of the freebies sometime, free signal here and there, I'm actually thinking of doing an average of maybe 15% free signals per month, because a lot of my members, I think they deserve at least 15% if I can do that. I do have a private where we do 40, 50, 60, 70, 100%, 200%, but I think 15 for just a giveaway for totally free is awesome. Okay, that's $150 if you're trading with $1,000. Okay, so that's still free money from my side. And that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.